how to use Oku on Rootstock. Got rBTC? Now you can trade, provide liquidity, and track pools on Rootstock using Oku Trade, powered by Uniswap v3. Oku also allows you to bridge assets across chains such as Arbitrum to Rootstock and access other advanced trading tools. Here's how to get started. You can trade and swap tokens on Oku, including rBTC, RIF, and USDT0. Head to oku.trade and connect your wallet. You'll land on the trade page where you can place a market or limit order, or go to the swap tab for a simple token swap. Want to earn rewards? Provide liquidity and earn yield on multiple pools like solveBTC and wrBTC. Go ahead and use the position maker to create a liquidity position. Choose your pool, set your price range, and deposit tokens. Click the Analytics tab to view token data, pool stats, and position history. Everything updates automatically as new pools go live. That's it. Trade smarter, earn rewards, and explore Bitcoin DeFi, all with Rootstock on Oku. Explore different options to bridge assets to Rootstock at rootstock.io/rBTC.